Hi, I'm Joy. As a Tesla owner and an EV supporter, I have been encouraging friends and family switching to an EV given the soaring gas prices lately. However, their immediate reaction to me has always been, a Tesla is too expensive for us. We can't afford it. Because I have been keeping an eye out on new EVs coming on the market over the years, I decided to look up EVs that you can get in 2022 that are cheaper than a Tesla Model 3. To my surprise, there are 15 options you can choose from, and I'm going to tell you what they are. Before diving into this list, I want to make you aware that while Tesla has exhausted the $7,500 federal tax credit incentive, there are still state and local utilities EV incentive programs available with your EV purchase. Furthermore, you can still claim that $7,500 federal tax credit on most of the EVs I'll be mentioning in this video to make your EV purchase even more affordable. Before you make a purchasing decision, however, please double check with the manufacturer on inventory availability, the MSRP, EPA rated range, and battery capacity of these EVs as they may change. Now, for comparison, the cheapest Tesla available in 2022 is the Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive version, which starts at $46,990. The Model 3 rear-wheel drive has 50 kilowatt hours of battery capacity with an EPA rated range of 272 miles. I'll start from the cheapest EV and work my way up to the Model 3 benchmark. First, we have the Arcimoto Fun Utility Vehicle, which starts at $17,900 MSRP. I test drove this couple of months ago and really liked this little car. It has an EPA rated range of 102 miles with about 19 kilowatt hour battery capacity. This is street and even freeway legal without wearing a helmet, and you can drive it up to 75 miles per hour. The Arcimoto makes a super affordable and excellent local commuter. The only drawback at this time is that it's only available in Arizona, California, Florida, Nevada, Oregon, and Washington. And the current configuration does not support DC fast charging, so only level 1 and level 2 charging right now. If you want to learn more about Arcimoto and watch my test drive where I went up to 35 miles per hour in a parking lot, please watch the video linked here. Next, we have the Nissan Leaf. Yes, the Nissan Leaf is an OG EV, and it is still around. The 2022 Nissan Leaf starts at $27,400. It has EPA rated range of 149 miles with a 40 kilowatt hour battery. The Nissan Leaf and all subsequent EVs on this list support DC fast charging. After the Leaf, we have the mini hardtop two-door EV starting at $29,900. It has an EPA rated range of 114 miles with 33 kilowatt hours battery. I actually sat inside this EV last year at an EV event and really liked that they kept the feel and essence of the iconic Mini Cooper design and made it an electric version. It's definitely worth checking out. Next up, the Chevy Bolt EV. comes in at $31,500 MSRP with 259 miles EPA rated range and a 65 kilowatt hour battery. Mazda actually has an EV, which surprised me. Their MX-30 is listed at $33,470 MSRP, but it only has about 100 miles rated range on a 35.5 kilowatt hour battery. On this list also is the Chevy Bolt EUV, or the electric utility vehicle. The Bolt EUV has a $33,500 sticker price that offers 247 EPA rated miles and the same 65 kilowatt hour battery capacity as its cheaper sibling. The Hyundai Kona EV is also a popular choice. It starts at $34,000 with the base model. The Kona offers a decent EPA rated range at 258 miles on a 64 kilowatt hour battery. Next, we have the Ford F-150 Lightning truck. I know Ford has not started shipping them yet, but the word is they are supposed to start delivering these trucks in 2022. That's why it's on the list. The F-150 Lightning starts at $39,974 for the cheapest model, which has 230 miles EPA rated range with a 98 kilowatt hour battery. And if you're wondering, I am not including Tesla Cybertruck on this list because production date for the Cybertruck has been pushed out to next year, 2023. After the F-150 Lightning truck, we have the Kia Niro sitting at $39,990. It has 239 EPA rated miles on a 64 kilowatt hour battery. Another popular EV I have been seeing a lot of on the streets is the Volkswagen ID.4. Their 2022 ID.4 Pro model is set at $40,760 for the base model. It has a 280 mile EPA rated range with an 82 kilowatt hour battery capacity. Not bad. Following the ID.4, we have another Kia on the list. The Kia EV6 Light starts at $40,900 and offers an EPA rated range of 232 miles with a 58 kilowatt hour battery. Hyundai has another popular EV that I have been seeing quite a few of around town, and that is their IONIQ 5. The MSRP for the IONIQ 5 is $43,650. It has an impressive 303 mile EPA rated range and a 77 kilowatt hour battery. Ford's Mustang Mach-E is gaining popularity in the EV world. Besides Tesla and the Volkswagen ID.4, the Mach-E is another EV that I see often here in LA. The base model of Mach-E starts at $43,895. The Mach-E comes with an EPA rated range of 247 miles on a 68 kilowatt hour battery. Another EV that has also been around for a while is the Audi e-tron. The Q4 e-tron has an MSRP of $43,900, which comes with 241 EPA rated miles on an 82 kilowatt hour battery. Finally, we have the Polestar 2. Polestar may seem to be a new EV brand, but it is actually owned by Volvo. The Polestar 2 starts at $45,900 and offers an EPA rated range of 270 miles with a 78 kilowatt hour battery. I personally have test driven a Polestar 2. Aside from the interior design and on-screen technology, it drives and feels similar to my 2018 long-range rear-wheel drive Model 3. You can check out my Polestar 2 test drive video here. There you have it, the 15 EVs that you can order in 2022 that are cheaper than a Tesla Model 3. While I love my Tesla, I am happy to see there are a lot more EV options for consumers to choose from on the market these days. I'm listing all the EVs mentioned in this video in the description to help you with your EV research. I hope this video has helped you consider making the switch to an EV easier. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time and God bless you.